Welcome back friends. In this video I'll show you two formula approach of calculating sum of values by condition in Google Sheets. Here I have a simple data of sales amount and the mode of sales, that is either cash or credit. My requirement here is to calculate the category wise total. For the cash, what is the total sales amount, and for the credit, what is the total sales amount. For this I'm going to use two formula approach. The one is by using the SUMIF function and the other is by using the combination of sum and filter function. Let's start using the SUMIF formula here first. Press equal to, then type SUMIF open bracket. In the range parameter, select the criteria range of the source table. Our criteria is the mode of sales, so we have to select this range from B4 to B10. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, which applies the dollar symbol here. Then put a comma. In the criterion, select the criteria which is given here in this D6 cell. Then put a comma. In the sum range, select the values to be added range, that is the sales amount range of the source table. After selecting, lock it by pressing F4 key. You can also apply the dollar symbol manually if you are not able to locate the F4 key in the keyboard. Now close bracket and press enter. And here it is suggesting to autofill the formula. So simply click on the tick mark so that it will fill down. And here you see the sales amount category wise is calculated. Let's use another formula approach, that is the combination of sum and filter. For that, let me put here sales amount. In this cell, press equal to, then use the sum function open bracket. In the value 1 parameter of the sum function, combine the filter function open bracket. In the range parameter of the filter function, select the range from A4 to B10, which is the source data. Then lock this range by pressing F4 key, put a comma. In the condition 1, provide the condition, that is select the mode of sales range. Then lock it by pressing F4 and it should be equal to, then click on the D6 cell which is the first criteria. Now close bracket, close one more bracket for the sum function, then press enter. Here you see the category wise total calculated. Click on this tick mark to fill the formula down, and here also we get the same result. So this is how we can use either SUMIF function or the combination of sum and filter function to calculate the sum of values by condition in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this, you can get this sample data file from the link given in the video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.